Hi everyone! Welcome to Veracity's Solutions. In this video, we will explore cascading filters in IBM Cognos Analytics dashboards, understand why they are needed, and learn how to implement them using various methods. Now, let's begin by understanding a common challenge users face while applying multiple filters in dashboards. Often, filters display all available values, regardless of selections made in other filters. This inconsistency can lead to confusion, a poor user experience, and inaccurate or misleading analysis. To address this issue, we use cascading filters. They allow filters to dynamically respond to each other's selections, ensuring users only see relevant data. Cognos provides 4 ways to implement cascading filters. First, Cascade All Tabs filter. Second, Single Cascade Set. Third, Multi-Cascade Set. And fourth, Cascading filters in local visual filters. To make this concept easier to understand, let's take a practical example using a hotel booking dashboard. We will demonstrate how the issue appears and how cascading filters resolve it. Let's start by dragging the state field into the filter and selecting Himachal Pradesh. Then, drag the city field and choose Manali. Now, drag the hotel name field. Despite selecting Manali, you will still see hotel names from all over the state, not just Manali. This is the issue we aim to solve. Let's begin exploring the first method to apply cascading filters across the dashboard. Go to Properties and then Cascading Filter Settings. Enable Cascade All Tabs filters. Now, when you select hotel name, you will see only the hotel names relevant to the selected state and city, like just the 4 hotels in Manali, Himachal Pradesh. Also, notice the Show All Values toggle. When enabled, it shows all hotel names, with irrelevant ones in parentheses, helping users understand the complete dataset. Moving on, let's now explore the second method called Single Cascade Set. Go to Cascading Filter Settings and choose First to Last as the Cascade Set strategy. Remove the old hotel name filter and drag it again from the data source, placing it next to city. You will now see all hotel names again. They are not filtered yet. To fix this, click the 3 dots next to State, then select Add to Cascade Set. Do the same for city and hotel name. Now, you will see only the filtered values, based on the cascade from state to city to hotel name. You can also change the order of filters in the cascade set. For example, if you move hotel name after state, hotel names will filter based on the selected state. You can also add new fields to an existing set, and enable or disable the Show All Values toggle. Next, let's understand how a multi-cascade set works and how it differs from the previous approach. At first, you will notice that the Show All Values toggle is missing for the state filter, but it's visible for the other filters. Why is that? It's because we are using the first-to-last strategy. To enable Show All Values for all filters, go to Cascading Filter Settings. Change the strategy to multi-directional. Now, when you click on State, you will also see the Show All Values toggle, allowing for a more flexible filtering experience. Finally, let's see how cascading filters can be applied within individual visualizations. Cascading doesn't just work across the dashboard. It can also be used inside a single visual. For example, select a table visualization that displays customer details. Open the Fields pane. Add age range to the local filter slot. Now, the age range values will be filtered based on the selected hotel and customer data, offering more meaningful insights even within one visual. In conclusion, cascading filters ensure that users only see contextually relevant options, reducing confusion and enhancing data exploration. Thank you for watching.